एक तो वैसे ही साल के 365 दिन में से आप 3 से 4 फिल्में ही कर सकते हैं, यू नो.
Are you okay? Do you have a set thing कि मैं 3 करूँगा? What do you do?
It depends.
Okay.
It depends.
Is the hills, the beach? What do you like?
You know, I prefer घर, क्योंकि घर से बाहर बहुत रहते हैं.
हाँ.
The nature of our job is
So
such.
does the mountain call you?
Yeah, it does. In fact,
It does.
it's calling me now. I just spoke to my in-laws 2-3 days back. और क्योंकि वो देवभूमि बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
हिमाचल को, वहाँ पे बहुत उनके कुल देवता, कुल देवी बहुत मानते हैं.
Yeah.
तो उनके घर के पास नैना देवी पड़ता है, तो वो मंदिरों के दर्शन होते हैं हमारे.
हाँ.
वी डू, यू नो, बाबा बालकनाथ जी हैं, तो हमारा रिचुअल है कि हम जाते हैं तो ये 4-5 जगह हम घूम फिर के आते हैं.
हाँ.
वो ज़्यादा बुलाता है.
Okay.
या फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. एक तो वैसे ही साल के 365 दिन में से आप 3 से 4 फिल्में ही कर सकते हैं, यू नो.
Are you okay? Do you have a set thing कि मैं 3 करूँगा, मैं इससे ज़्यादा?
मैं 4 फिल्में करता हूँ साल की.
Okay.
10 महीने काम करता हूँ, 2 महीने छुट्टी लेता हूँ.
Where do you go? What do you do?
It depends.
Okay.
It depends.
Is the hills, the beach? What do you like?
It totally. बीच में भी छुट्टियाँ ले लेता हूँ मैं.
No, what I mean to say is beach as in the sea.
Yeah.
You live.
I live right
by
next to the sea.
Yeah, exactly.
So lately, I was coming to that. Lately, what's also happened is post my marriage or post my roka, post after engagement, you know, I frequent Sheetal's place, which is Himachal.
Okay.
So we fly to Himachal. I live with my in-laws, stay there for 10-12 days. You know, I prefer घर, क्योंकि घर से बाहर बहुत रहते हैं.
हाँ.
The nature of our job is such.
So does the mountain call you?
Yeah, it does. In fact,
It does.
It's calling me now. I just spoke to my in-laws 2-3 days back.
Because I've just seen that. Unless the hills, you feel the magnet of the of that.
Yeah.
You have to know what it means like to go to the
And
hills.
my wife and I are big महादेव भक्स. तो हमारा क्या है कि, और क्योंकि वो देवभूमि बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
हिमाचल को, वहाँ पे बहुत उनके कुल देवता, कुल देवी बहुत मानते हैं.
Yeah.
तो उनके घर के पास नैना देवी पड़ता है, तो वो मंदिरों के दर्शन होते हैं हमारे.
हाँ.
वी डू, यू नो, बाबा बालकनाथ जी हैं, तो हमारा रिचुअल है कि हम जाते हैं तो ये 4-5 जगह हम घूम फिर के आते हैं.
हाँ.
वो ज़्यादा बुलाता है.
Okay.
Yeah, from time to time.
When I was reading the comment section and when I was doing my research on you, when I saw that mentioned a couple of times,
जी.
underrated, my presumption was that when people talk about, say, an Irfan Khan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, when they're talking about all these people, why is your name not there in that list? It ought to be there. So, ya to it's an oversight when they talk about, when they put those names together, your name is not there. But considering your body of work, it should be there.
I think not yet. I mean, with them, with Irfan Saab, nahin, not yet. I mean, I'm just 36 right now. There is still a lot of work to be done.
Sure. Okay.
So many people, sometimes they tell me that you're underrated. I don't think so. I'm underrated. I have survived for 20 years by the grace of the audiences, of course. But my producers have backed me. My writers have backed me. My directors have backed me. I don't do those staple things like the ones that we spoke about. I don't do those staple things which you are conditioned to categorize as mainstream. इसीलिए आपको लगता है मैं underrated हूँ.
Would you act in South Indian films because those are making waves because they're so phenomenally large, and the technical quality, the acting, the sheer skills which go into making some of those big blockbuster movies. Is that a possibility for us to see you in those
Why
films?
not?
Yeah?
Why not? I would love to be a part of that.
Yeah.
And the beauty post-COVID, especially because of streaming platforms, is regional content has gotten more eyeballs now.
Okay.
It was only during COVID when all these streaming platforms acquired regional cinema, the lines got blurred.
Huh.
So I would love to be a part of some, Tamil film or Telugu film or Malayalam film, or it could be a film from the Northeast as well.
Yeah.
It could be a Gujarati film. A Gujarati film, Chhello Show represented us at the Oscars.
Yeah.
I mean, Indian cinema right now is booming. It's a great time.
Bhojpuri films,
Bhojpuri
Punjabi
why
films,
not?
they're all doing so
Yes,
well. Regional
yes.
content is like
Punjabi music.
out there. Music. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. It's too in your face, I feel right now. I like the softer genre. I don't like the gaddi wali bit and the guns and things.